Right then guys, welcome back. WLW, same short intro, another short video. Again, it's like some proper editing equipment, as most of you know, well some of you know that I only do my recording from my phone, nothing else. I got an app on my phone that does silly editing, which somehow now that the picture of my videos is going crap, so I do apologise on that. Another thing I want to say is that thank you to all the recent subscribers. I do appreciate it. I don't ask for them, but thank you very much. Anyway, in front of you, you've got a lockpicking kit. I bought this, say, about a year and a half ago, and it just put it away, chucked it in the bugger bag. My head revolves around shit, it's the fan. Fucking end of the world disasters. Because I do like playing games, and on some games you do pick locks, and I thought it's a good skill to have for learn. So that's why I got it for. Only the reason why. So I can show you how to pick this lock that I had as well. But this came all in one. I did order this as well, but this was supposed to be inside the package with all this, but apparently it didn't come. No, what can you say from Amazon? But Amazon are good, I gotta be fair. Anyway, so since that come, I have been practicing. Only for what shit it's the fan. So I thought I might as well have one, because if I needed to get into I don't know, abandoned police station or military place, abandoned. Obviously, someone's going to leave some rifles in there, they're going to leave it in the cupboard. Well, obviously the cupboard's going to be padlocked up. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to get one, learn the skill, get into it. I'm not going to be that person that's going to leave my family go, Always be prepared for the unexpected, because the unexpected may just happen. I knew you can never be prepared. Something always happens, guaranteed. So anyway, here we go. The cam's backing up again, man. So you got your pins in there, right? Try and keep that portal like that. Yeah. That's what it does. It just shows you how a lock works. Insert the key and the pins go up, right? And then, right? Easy. So now, what I'll do, I'll open that. It's very embarrassing now if I can't do it. So this is a torque wrench. You need that to put inside the lock like that. To turn it. The ones that I have used now are torque wrench, obviously. This one is called the rake, but I've been successful with it as well. Like I said, I'm just practicing. Not very good at it, I'm not a master or anything, but I have done it. This one is called the feeler, apparently. I've been successful with that one. Which other one is your radio? So this one I've been successful with. This is just on this padlock there, right? So here we go. Chuck that in there. It's all about the pressure you want to do on the thingy. That's what I'll do. As you, right? So boom. Right. I'll do it again. Locked. Right. So that inside there, you don't want too much pressure on it. I'll practice makes perfect. So in, click the pins up. Yeah, done again. That's twice. I haven't tried any other locks yet. But when I do, they will be my locks. And what all I can gather is it's all about the pressure you put on the torque wrench. Very little. And again. Right. So I'll do it with this other one now. So I'll do it with this one now, right? And I'll do it the other side. Right, so it's locked. Chuck them in. Yeah, if you use any of my videos to go on to do feed, then I will undo down, I will paste out. So this video is just for the end of the world. I can't get it in. Story of my life. Right. There you go. Boom. Done. I'll do the other side. But I couldn't. Sorry if it's blurry, this is what I mean. It's terrible. Right. So I'm trying to do a video on that look and then bloody working. Let's try again. There you go. Boom. So yeah. The only purpose of this pick-on kit was if I need to get into something undetected, then purpose is generally for shit, it's a fan. Won't use it for anything else. This will just go back in my bug up bag, out the way. So I'll go on again, torque wrench in. So I'll do the other one for you. Do a brake through. So in. And this one is designed to scrape in and out, but whatever works for you, and I've done this. Boom. And the other reason why I bought it for is because I lost the key to my safe and I couldn't get in it. Couldn't get into it. So I did actually get into it by using 2 safety pins. And ever since then, I thought, well, yeah, might as well go. Done. I'll show you the safe now. So, as I did manage to do that. So yeah. Thank you for watching YouTube. This is End of the World a lot bigger.